Hey, moneymakers, ready to ditch the 9 to 5 and rake in $10,000 a month from home? You've probably heard of Oneforma, but today, I'm spilling the tea on 7 unknown translation websites that are paying big in 2025. These hidden gems are so easy to use, you'll wish you knew them sooner. Stick around because I'm revealing exactly how to tap into this cash flow, step by step, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in.
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.